Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale VERTEX Toyota Chaser JZX100 from Tarmac Works. There's the illustration of the car at the back of the box, which looks really beautiful. So this is the car out of its box and it looks really nice. The headlights are really well detailed and the grille has the VERTEX logo on it. You can also see the intercooler from here as well. The wheels look really nice, but there are no brake discs and calipers behind them. Moving on to the back, the taillights are really well detailed. There is the VERTEX license plate and above it there is the link for the website. Moving on to the interior, the dashboard and the steering wheel are really well detailed. You can see the AC vents and the different buttons on the center console as well. You can see the inner rearview mirror from here and it has silver paint in it, so it does not reflect but still looks good. You can see the back seats from here as well. The door cards are also really well detailed. There is the VERTEX and the VERTEX logo on the rear windshield. And this is how it looks like from the passenger side. You can see the center console more clearly from here. There is a VERTEX logo on top of the windshield. The wipers are not separate and are molded in with the windshield. The rearview mirrors have silver paint in it, so it does not reflect but still looks good. The base is made out of metal and the chassis is really well detailed. The exhaust muffler also looks really nice. In my opinion, the tires should be wider to suit the car better. Both the front and rear wheels roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.